If you have been import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agents, so consider to watch this video right now because I'm going to show you step by step on how to avoid 1688 scam and how to play safe right now in this video. So let's read. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to avoid 1688 supplier scam and how we can play safe when you are trying to import, procure from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to avoid 1688 scams and stay safe in 1688 procurement and shipping from China is concerned. Okay, I'm going to use this particular case study and I'm going to show you everything about all this particular scam supplier. Okay, so this person contacted me from my YouTube channel, just like how every other person does. Hello, bro Rafiu. Good morning. I'm one of your subscribers on YouTube. Please, I watch a video of yours on how to ask for a refund on 1688, but a bit confused. Okay. Now, this is my page. When I click on refund, it shows no relevant order. Whereas I do order on the app often. Okay. This is the case study, and you will be surprised that this person here actually did a lot of wrong things. And this is one of the reasons why if you want to do importation from China using 1688 without using agent, it is always advisable that you learn from an expert so that you will not be victims of fraudster on the 1688 shopping app. Now, each time you place order on 1688, let's for instance you place order and then you want to ask for a refund. The item need to be here or here. These are the two places by which you can ask for a refund. But right here, from what this person circle right here, you notice that there is no any order right here. Okay, and this person actually pay for the item. So let me quickly take you to further communication between me and this person. I need help on how to request for a refund. Thanks. I paid a supplier and refused to deliver to the shipping company. He even issued a fake tracking number. You can imagine that. I asked, do you pay to supplier contact direct or pay on Alipay? Then it states here that I pay directly through Alipay account of an exchanger. This is where the person got it wrong. Now, if you pay direct to supplier account through Alipay via your exchanger, if the supplier sent out your item, eventually if your item was sent out, you will not be able to see the logistic history right here. It's not going to be here. This is because the transaction is carried out of 1688 shopping app platform. So the supplier can only give you a tracking number through the chat box, but it's not going to reflect on the system. And if you have a case of refund, you will never get your money back. This is because you pay direct into Alipay. And even if you report to a 1688 customer buyer support, you are putting your account in a great risk because it is one of their terms of service that you should not make payment out of the platform. Okay, so let's quickly go back. I asked, can you share the seller link? So this is the seller link, and I'm going to take you through the seller link. It states there that says ladies bags. Okay, how much do you send to, and do you have a proof of payment to the seller? So it says yes, everything. I have everything. Let me send, please. So she sent 475 yuan to this particular seller before the seller eventually blocked her. Now let's see their conversation. This is the proof of payment to the seller. Okay, so these persons here, they will communicate in English. So this is just to tell the supplier that this person here is not in Chinese. So it is a great advantage for the supplier to get this particular person scam. It's as simple as that. So these are all their conversation right from the top right here. So from the proof of payment, which is 475, and he sent it to the supplier, then straight down, payment made. So you can see their conversation. Right here. Look at it. Okay. So the supplier state here that the item kg is 17.5. Somebody that is not sending anything. So take a look at it. This is all their chart. Okay. This is all their chart. Now, who is sending the tracking number, please? This is where the problem began. The problem is that, so look at what the supplier is telling her right here. So look at the response. This is where the problem began. Okay, take a look at it. Now, let's quickly go to the seller sales page right here. So I'm going to click on this link right here. Then you and I will see everything that is taking place on this particular seller sales page and how you too can be safe when you are trying to import from China using 1688 shopping app. So let's take a look. All right, so take a look at the seller sales page right here. Look at the item pictures and video. Now the price here states that if you buy anything above 50 pieces, you are paying 9.5 yuan. Above 500 pieces, you are paying 8.55. Above 2,000 pieces, you are paying 7.60 yuan. Now let's scroll down and check more information about this particular seller. Okay, so look at it. So this seller here, they were OSAT supplier as they claim. Okay, now before we can decide to consider to purchase from a supplier, I always make emphasis on you checking their review. So let's check what the previous buyer have today to say about this particular seller. So I'm going to click on here, then it's going to load up.